Ito ay rated SPG. Striktong patnubay at gabay ng magulang ang kailangan. Maaaring may masiselang
tema, lengguwahe, karahasan, sexual, horror o droga na hindi angkop sa mga bata.
Guys, have you seen the latest post from our campus page? No, I haven't seen. Can you tell us about it? It's a killer game. There will be a killer game in this year's Halloween event. Oh, what about it? The winner will be accepted from our GPA subjects. For real? Should we join the game? Are you guys sure about this? Tell us about this and criteria.
Earlier, you've picked the paper contains the role you should be. We have 1 killer and 8 players. We will be having 4 groups. It is a tag team challenge wherein you have 1 hour to hide, and if no one sees you, you are considered as winner. But if you're found by the killer, you will be considered dead of the game.
What is she? I'm not sure about this. This doesn't feel right. I wouldn't risk my safety.
Why? It's just one of hundreds of premiums out there. Are you scared you got unique?
Oh wow, how do you feel about this game?
I couldn't care less. I thought that's all just made-up stories. We're scared you got babies like you.
Then go, join the playing game.
Stop arguing. Do you think this is a joke?
Are you guys ready for this challenge?
Yes, we make sure to bring a flashlights and water in case of emergency.
You're absolutely right. We need all of that later.
Unique? Why are you so quiet?
Do you have anything to say about this? I have a bad feeling about this challenge.
Let's say the exact opposite. I'm so excited about this challenge.
Don't worry, Unique. Nothing bad will happen today. We got you.
So, shall we start?
We're about to enter 507 and we don't know the backgrounds of this.
So guys, ito yung itsura niya. So, we're here at room 507. Super lamig. Pero medyo mabigat sa pakiramdam naman.
Parang di naman. Gani-gani mo lang yan. Okay ka kasi masyado.
Ano? Explain natin. Pero walang takot eh.
Wait, let me go to the bathroom first. Wait for me here, Carl.
Go make it faster.
Okay.
So guys, alam din guys! Paano kaya to? Ang galak dito. Matalas. Ang galak dito.
Gagawin natin.
Dito na kami sa room. Tataguan namin. Patingin naman natin. Siyempre, yawan naman na guys. Ayan, sa tago na kami ngayon. So, hindi siya na yaman. Ayan, na. Come on. Kailangan natin manalo ah. Talaga, galingan mo. Siyempre, galingan namin. Perfect kayo dito, perfect. Parang accepted kami. Yes.
Ito ba yun, Carl? Nagkaroon ng trip mo? Dahil ka sa akin mamaya paglabas ko.
Alam ko na.
upstairs, then akit ka dito. Sige, mag-meet tayo sa taas. Okay. Check mo kung may hindi nakalock na. Then magkita tayo sa taas. Okay, ingat, Gwen. Okay, ingat.
So guys, puntaan na natin si Gwen. Guys, nakita ko si Gwen. Nakita ko siya.
Pababa ako. Sige sa taas. Sige. Ingat ka na.
Naghihintay ako ngayon ng elevator. Wish me luck. Nasaan na ba kasi sila?
Girl, I have a plan.
What is it?
What if you tell them that the man is here? Na nagsasata ng mga bus para siya na tayo.
Jane, I'm on it.
Okay naman, napasata.
Ikaw na lang.
Parang hindi ka pa sure.
Because I'm scared to be alone in this room.
Pero how can we execute our plan if ganyan?
Okay, fine. Just make it fast, ha? Balikan mo ako rito.
Oh no, gusto mo ma-image ko.
Of course. Take care. Umalis na si Micah and we're gonna pretend na walang tao dito para sure win na kami. Sino yun? Narinig niyo ba yun? Sino yan, no? Miss, okay ka lang? Kailangan mo ba ng tulong?
Cheka?
ang problema mo sa kanya? Tama na mo ba? Hindi ka naman ano?
Class dismissed.
Room 507, also known as the White Lady's Home. It's been a decade since she last marked that room as hers. No one knew about the true story behind her mystery. She cries every night. Everyone hears her humming in the corridor. No one dares to enter the room at 6 p.m. She's watching you. Better to observe her surroundings.